If your PS5 controller update failed or keeps asking you to update, try this. First, plug in the controller directly to the PS5 with a USB data cable. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And make sure that the battery isn't almost empty before updating. If you don't know how to check your battery, usually it's push the PS and then we'll see on the bottom that there's a battery icon. Okay, so then when you're back on this update screen, next, don't disconnect the cable or turn off your PS5 during the update. We're going to go ahead and push OK. And this is already up to date, but then you should be now downloading. If the update still fails, restart PS5 completely. If you can still use your controller, then we just go here and we want to go down to that power sign. And you can go to restart down here. Or we're going to go ahead and hold down the power button on the console itself and keep holding it down until it restarts. In most cases, restarting the PS5 and using a proper USB data cable fixes the update problem. Once the PS5 restarts, you can also go to settings on top right there. We're going to go to settings and then we're going to go down to accessories right here. Go ahead and click that. Then we're going to go to controller and then you will see, click to the right and you will see DualSense wireless control device software. And go ahead and click that and then try to download again. Hopefully this works out for you. If this video has helped, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. Appreciate it.